So how do you change the color filter on your iPad? And let's get started. So what you need to do is to go to your settings app like that, then click on accessibility, and I want you to find what's called a display and a text size. In there, so many options which you can use to apply filters to your screen, but there is a dedicated color filters option. In there, you need to enable it and then pick the filter you want to apply. So we have the grayscale, which will make all of the colors be removed, but then we also have some specific color filters. That's why we have the color option at the top to see what it would look like after applying that particular filter. You can also adjust the intensity, and when you go to the color tint, you can also just change the hue with the slider below. So if you don't like to have any of that, just turn it off and you don't need to worry about anything. Then part of the accessibility display section, we also have the, as I said, inverting options. Then we have reduce white point, plus the reduce transparency and some options like that, which will also change slightly the way that your display looks. Plus, when it comes to the filters, you should also know that if you swipe down to access the control center, you can go to the brightness slider, and there we have another set of filtering options because you can make your iPad go like to the dark mode where you invert the colors. You also have night shift, which is a blue light filter for the night. And we also have the true tone display, which also filters the colors a little bit based on your environment. So that's it. These are all of the things that you needed to know about it. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.